So I think the calculator stuff is pretty self-explanatory for section 7.4, but just in case, I still want to show you guys using the calculator how to do like a problem or two. So let's look at example 3 from 7.4. So this is obviously proportions. So we're going to go to one prop z int. So stat, go over to tests, and one prop z int. So don't stop on one prop z test. That's something else that we'll do later in chapter 8. One prop z int, so on mine it's number or letter A, I should say. So we'll grab that. Okay, now x. So, I mean, if you wanted, you could type like 0.45 times 1898 here. And actually, let me go ahead and do it, and I'll just show you what's going to happen if you leave that value there. N is 1898, and common interval is 0.95. Okay, so if you go to calculate, you're going to get a domain error. Okay, so that's because we left a decimal in for our x value. So that just tells you, it's kind of like a good reminder that, oh, hey, I did something wrong. So let me go back there. Okay, so I'm not allowed to put a decimal or a fraction in for x. So since it came up as 854.1, I'm just going to round that to the nearest whole number. So that's 854. Now I'll go to calculate. And now it works. So now we get 0.4275, which rounds to that 0.428 that we got, and then 0.42 or 0.472, which is what we had there. So that's pretty much it for one prop z int. I don't think you need another example for those, but as always, if you have any questions, especially calculator questions, feel free to email me or Dr. Insco or your learning assistant, Bree.